Not long time ago, this happened to me. When starting Microsoft Flight Simulator, it shut down without reason. I started the program again, and this warning appeared on the screen. Your last session ended unexpectedly. This may be due to installed third-party content, out-of-date content, or incompatible drivers. Would you like to continue in safe mode? In this mode, third-party content will be disabled. Okay, so I selected Continue in safe mode. In most cases, the program will shut down before reaching the main menu. A few times the main menu opened. In safe mode, the marketplace is not available. The same is true for the content manager. But sooner or later, the program will shut down, and you are back to square one. Time to read more. If you do not have any issues when safe mode is active, then the issue is likely related to third-party content. This content can be updated or removed via the Content Manager or the Community folder. The Content Manager didn't open, so I opened a Community folder. It's here. You can also open a Community folder by hitting the Windows key and type %community %. In my case, it was empty because I haven't downloaded any third-party content. Okay, so this was not the problem. So I continue reading. If the problem persists, try updating out-of-date content or incompatible drivers. I updated the driver for the graphics card, but that didn't help. You can also check the forums or contact customer support. In Steam community, I found another user with the same problem, but nobody was able to help. So I asked around and received the following reply. Try emptying app data roaming MFS, app data local MFS, my games MFS. When restarting the game, it might be super long because you will have to set up and download elements again. The second folder is very big. In my case, it is 269 GB after downloading the elements again. By deleting this folder, you do not delete the program, but all elements inside. When I started Microsoft Flight Simulator again, it started to download the elements. With a slow Wi-Fi, it took many hours. Flight Simulator is now up and running again, and I can continue to create more content for you. And you know what to do. Save the link to this video. So if you ever encounter this problem, you know how to fix it. Okay, and that's all for this time. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day and happy landing. Very fast. Slow down, slow down. You're too fast. Too fast. Still fast. Okay.
500.
Oh! You damaged your landing gear.